Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. If you want to protect brain from aging, make babies. It boosts senses, fun activities, and social connections. Octopus DNA tells scientists that total collapse of the Antarctic ice sheet is close. The combined hair of a whole head could support 12,000 kg or the weight of two elephants. Indian woman coats car with the cow dung. She claims it cools car without the AC. British submarine HMS Artful can stay submerged for 25 years without having to surface for air. Monthly cost of living in India. Melbourne is one of the few cities where you can experience all four seasons in a single day. Its location between Australia's scorching inland and the chilly Southern Ocean causes sudden weather swings. Some boys are very stubborn. These types of boys never back down and never hear no from anyone. They are quite angry and aggressive, but they have a special quality, that is passion for love and being loyal. India's garlic naan ranked best bread in the world. Kulcha and parota also make the list. In Japan, drinking with clients or co-workers is a sign of company loyalty and is considered part of the job. Refusing a drink from a boss is often seen as disrespectful and may negatively impact one's career. The spade-toothed whale, a type of beaked whale, is so rare that it has never been seen alive, with only a few confirmed specimens ever found. Each 5 mph you drive over 60 mph is like paying an additional 10 cents a gallon for gas. Hungary's parliament building has 88 pounds of solid gold built into it. It is a masterpiece of Gothic revival architecture and has 691 rooms, 20 kilometers of stairs and 88 pounds of gold in its designs. According to survey, approximately 59% of Indians are sleeping only 6 hours per day, because of which people are facing hormonal, neurological and cardiac issues in recent times. There is a restaurant in Los Angeles called Lustig where you can eat for free if you're taller than the chef. Max Planck's professor advised him against studying physics, saying almost everything is already discovered. Planck persisted to learn fundamentals and later originated quantum theory, winning a Nobel Prize. The rotation of the Earth is slowing down due to the gravitational pull of the Moon, causing the length of the day to increase gradually. It's estimated that in about 50 billion years, the length of a day on Earth will be over 1000 hours. At a traditional Thai wedding, the groom's path to the ceremony is obstructed by a series of gates made of golden necklaces or belts held up by bridesmaids and family members. To pass through these gates, he must either offer money, answer questions, express his love loudly, or even sing a song. It is popularly believed that daylight savings time in the USA was enacted for the benefit of farmers. Farmers, however, were some of the strongest opponents of its implementation. Oranges can contribute to brighter, more even-toned skin due to their high vitamin C content, which helps reduce melanin production and can lighten dark spots and acne scars. Although iodine was added to table salt in the US beginning in 1924 as an antidote to goiters caused by iodine deficiency, it had the unanticipated side effect of raising the national IQ by an average of 3.5 points. If you work from home, use your computer to take a photo of your office area when it's spotlessly clean. By setting it as your Zoom background, you can easily trick your coworkers into believing that you are a responsible adult. Geologist Michael spent 2 months underground without time cues to study how his body clock adapted. He then repeated the experiment for even longer on himself and more subjects and discovered that human bodies tend to switch to an 48-hour clock. Horizontal push bars are used instead of regular doorknobs or handles to prevent a crowd from smashing into a door and preventing its ability to open. It's called panic hardware. Before the internet, these people would take your order, write down an address, and deliver a pizza to your home in less than 30 minutes by using a paper map like some sort of mystical land pirate. Brain treats talking inside our head as essentially the same thing as talking out loud. According to new research, estimates suggest that we spend at least a quarter of our waking hours attending to our inner voice. Our inner voice is accompanied by tiny muscular movement in the larynx. India has lowest divorce rate in the world. See how other countries compare. Russia, India, France, USA, Australia, China, UK, Thanks for watching.